We give you the base, you make it to taste. Let's make a Greek yogurt smoothie. Start by adding half cup of milk or milk alternatives such as soy milk or almond milk to the base of a blender. Then add half cup of plain Greek yogurt. Next, you can add 1 cup of fresh fruit. In this case, we're choosing a large banana. That usually is about 1 cup. Next, 1 cup of frozen fruit of your choice. Then 1 cup of loosely packed leafy greens for some added nutrition. You can also optionally add 6 to 8 ice cubes just to give it more of that icy chill. Go ahead and blend it up until smooth. Now you've got yourself a delicious creamy smoothie. It makes 2 small servings or 1 large smoothie. Check out the recipe in the description. Be sure to like this video and follow us for more. And always remember, cook confidently, simplify nutrition, feel better to your taste.